My birds have to be active, healthy, and enjoying their life. It's just number one. It has to happen. And yeah, that's what I'm going to pass on to my kids. Like, treat these animals properly. My name is Jeremy. I farm in the southeastern Manitoba region, and I'm a Manitoba chicken producer.
The protocols that Canadian chicken farmers raise chicken under are all science-based, and they're from years of experience of consultation with veterinarians, with poultry scientists, and with the farmers themselves to produce protocols that work for all aspects of production.
We love and have a passion for providing healthy, locally grown protein to our family and friends. So we eat what we raise and we share that with others because we're proud of what we do.